Hi guys, it's Mrs. Filiatro. I wanted to go over how to access Sora, which is a way for you guys to be able to borrow books and read them from your devices, from your Chromebook or your iPad. So I just wanted to show you how to get to it. Most of you have seen this during library, but I thought it would be helpful if you had a little tutorial to go back to and be able to, um, you know, remind yourself how to do it. So if you go to here's Google, I'm signed into my email, and here's the waffle. So I'm going to click on the waffle, and I'm going to scroll down until I see Sora. And for me, it's kind of at the bottom, and it says Sora by Overdrive. And this is like a chubby little rocket ship guy. So I'm going to click on Sora, and then it takes me to this home page. Down here on the bottom, it says Home, Explore, Shelf, and Me. So I am going to click Explore so I can look for a book. And when you get to the Explore page, you're going to click Collections. And most of you probably are going to pick either early elementary, but there's also graphic novels, which I know you guys love, read-along books, which is when someone will narrate the story for you and you can follow along with the words. So that's a great option because you can read the story yourself and hear it at the same time. So I'm going to go to early elementary collection. And here are all the books in this section. I'm just going to go down through and see what we might like to look at. Ooh, Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. So here's the title. The authors are Eric Litwin and Kimberly Dean. It says borrow, read sample, or add to list. So I'm going to click on the cover of Pete the Cat. And it gives you a little summary of what the book is about. So it says, don't miss the first and best-selling book in the beloved Pete the Cat series. Pete the Cat goes walking down the street wearing his brand new white shoes. Along the way, his shoes change from white to red to blue to brown to wet as he steps in piles of strawberries, blueberries, and other big messes. But no matter what color his shoes are, Pete keeps moving and grooving and singing his song because it's all good. Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. Ask the readers questions about colors of different foods and objects. Kids love to interact with the story. The fun never stops. Download the free Groovin' Song. So if I think, oh, that sounds pretty good. I love Pete the Cat. I can click borrow right here. So if I click borrow, the book will pop up. So I'm just going to click on the title. And this book down here, it says start narration. So this is also a book that someone will read it to me on my computer if I want it to, but I don't have to have that feature. I can just read it myself. So here's the Pete the Cat book. Okay. So when I'm done reading it, I can click my back arrow. And if I click shelf down here, see I have Pete the Cat checked out and also A Bedtime for Bear. When I'm done with the book, I have to return it. I have the book checked out to me for 13 days. Also A Bedtime for Bear too. So with Pete the Cat, if I'm all done with it and I'm done reading it, I'm going to click options. And here's the title. I love my white shoes. I can open the book, renew the book, return the book, send it to a device, or mark as done. I'm going to return it. So I'm going to click right here. And then it'll come up, return, I love my white shoes to St. Lawrence Lewis Bosse's. And I'm going to click return. Okay, so now that book has been returned back to Bosse's. It's just like a regular library book. When you check out a book from the library, either downtown or in Bamford, you have to be sure to return it because nobody else can access that book until I've returned it when I'm done with it. So that's very important. Okay, so remember to return it. All right. Then when you are, let's see, so here's Bedtime for Bear. I can open the book if I want to. And this, I wanted to show you this too. So I'm going to click on the book. Say you're reading your book and then you have to go eat dinner. And then you can click on this. This is a bookmark and it'll keep your page for you. So then I get out of it and then I come back to it after dinner. I can open my book and it's kept me right on the page where I click the bookmark. Okay, so that's really helpful if you're reading a chapter book. Okay, so I'm going to close that and go back to my loans, and I'm going to go to home, and then I can go down here to sign out. Yes, sign out. So then I am out of Sora. Oh, there's Chubby Rocket Ship again. Okay, so I just wanted you guys to be able to see that you can still access new books for you to read, even if we're not at school and you're not able to get to the library. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you. Good luck. Bye.